Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another wonderful session, another wonderful tutorial. All right. As you all know, this is how to make money online TV, and I remain your mentor, Elizabeth. So, in today's tutorial, I'm just going to be breaking down how you can actually earn from the rewards which Mara Wallet is currently giving away to all new subscribers, all new members, all new signups. So guys, before we dive into this tutorial, please do well to hit the red subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure to turn the bell notification icon. Now this bell notification icon notifies you when next I upload new videos. And please do well to give this video a like. So guys, let's continue. So the Mara wallet is just like every other crypto exchange out there in the market. So Mara wallet is it's gonna be the next #1 Africa cryptocurrency exchange. All right, around the whole of Africa. We know Binance is an exchange, #1 exchange in the world. So Mara wallet is gonna be the #1 crypto exchange in Africa. So guys, to sign up and receive your own share of the rewards, there is a link, my own referral link in the description of this video below. So click the link to get started. All right, and in addition to that, you're also free to join my community, join my Telegram. You're also free to join my WhatsApp community too. So guys, let's dive straight into the reason why we are here today. So once you click the link, okay, most people go to their respective app stores. If you're using an Android phone, you go to your Play Store. Then if you're using an iPhone, you go to your App Store. So I'm quickly going to navigate this to the Play Store to bring up the screen of how the Mara Wallet looks on the Play Store. So I'm just going to type Mara Wallet here. So this is it here. This is how the Mara Wallet looks like. So I'm just going to go back again to where I was before. So you click the link in the description of this very video here on YouTube. Alright, it takes you to the Mara exchange site. That's in case you've not downloaded the mobile app prior to sign up. So it takes you to the site. Alright, you enter your email. But since I already have the app on my phone, okay, it's not gonna bring up the same thing that it gives me on the site. So I'm just gonna click on next and get started. So I'm gonna enter my email here. Alright, let me quickly type this one. So a very quick one there. Sorry guys, I made a slow mistake here. So I click continue. So human verification, many of you are used to this. So they're gonna drag whatever it is, drag it to fit it up there. Alright. So you've got a mail, a link has been sent to gmail.com. Use it to sign into your account. So I'm just going to tap to open my email app from here. Okay, so let's see what we have in the email. So guys, there are different ways you can actually earn from the Mara wallet. You earn $2 once you sign up, and you earn $1 respectively per referral. So whenever you refer your contacts, your friends, your family, even your enemies, like some of us will say, you're gonna earn $1. So this is a groundbreaking opportunity for many who has been finding ways to make money online this year 2022. So I'm just going to open the email which was sent to me to verify the ownership of the email. So I'm just going to tap login. Alright, verify your email. Okay, verify your email is successful. So I'm just going to enter the first name, which is the next step. The next step is to enter your first name, and then your surname, which is your last name, then the phone number. So I'm just going to enter the phone number, click I agree, then submit. So an OTP code will be sent. Okay, an OTP code will be sent, and once I'm done verifying that, we move to the next step. Okay, so hold on for the OTP code to be sent to you. Okay, I've received the OTP code, so I'm just going to go to my SMS to open it up. Go to my SMS to open it up. Okay, yet to arrive. Alright, this is it here. 159653. 159653. So I'm just gonna hit submit. Alright, so this is the legal requirement. So once you are done reading, click I agree. Alright, congratulations, you have earned your first reward. So I have just earned my first $2 reward, guys. So that's how simple it is to sign up for the Mara Wallet waitlist. So on my screen here, you all can see you're on the waitlist. Keep earning rewards by sharing your referral link and moving up the waitlist. So I'm just gonna click earn reward. So once I click this button which says earn reward, so once I click the button which says earn reward here, it takes me to where my referral link, but I can also decide to skip by clicking skip. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on skip. Alright, so on my screen here, you all can see that I've just earned $2 for myself just for signing up. Alright, you earn $2 once you sign up. Alright, and you can also see it on my dashboard. So these funds will be locked for futures on Mara Wallet. Okay, it will be locked for the future on Mara Wallet. In the meantime, earn even more by referring your friends. I'm just going to click on got it. So you all can see my balance on my screen here. This is my balance here. I have a pending balance of $2. So for me to earn more, this is what I need to do. I just need to click on earn. I need to click on earn. This is earn here. I need to click on it. So here, so it says tell your friends and earn rewards for it. When anyone signs up with your referral link, you move up the wait list, and both of you will earn rewards. So whenever you refer people, okay, so what you're just going to do is just to click on this share my referral link, which you have here. Alright, so it pops up like this and asks you where you want to share to: Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, or anywhere. So many people do not know how to carry out referral programs. So there is a very short copyrighted content here which states how you can sign up for the Mara Wallet exchange. Alright, so you're gonna find it in my community. So I would advise you click the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp group and also join my Telegram community. In there, you're gonna get direct answers from me to you. So whatever question you have, bring it to the community. I'm going to be answering all your questions. So in addition to the referral program, many of you who are new to the crypto space, Mara Wallet has introduced an academy where you can actually learn about everything cryptocurrency and blockchain. So what you need to do is just to click on this academy. Alright, click on academy. Then up here we have the articles. Okay, then down here we have the videos. So very simple. So for the articles we have mining in cryptocurrency for beginners. You can read that. Alright, we have airdrops in cryptocurrency for beginners. We have the crypto times, which you should know. We have how to deal with black tax. We have staking cryptocurrency for beginners, lending cryptocurrency for beginners, facts on Ethereum, facts about Bitcoin, what problem does blockchain solve, history of blockchain, blockchain 101, everything you need to know, Mara blockchain masterclass series, announcing the Mara 6 ways to earn a cryptocurrency. Alright, so These and many more which are yet to come are all the articles you can find on the Mara Exchange Academy. Then if you scroll down, you have the videos. We have the Mara Foundation launching, the Mara Academy is live, outside with Mara Black Stars edition. That was held in Ghana. We have the Mara Academy coming this week, which is the video outside with Mara Delta State Polytechnic, outside with Mara episode 1, how to register as a Mara champion. Yeah. Now, in addition to what I've explained so far, which is you earning $2 reward for sign up, then you earn $1 for each referral. There's also something called the Mara champion. Okay, the Mara champion. This is an aspect or another face of the Mara reward, whereby you can actually sign up. Okay, if you can refer, let's say, if you can refer 40 persons in a month, Mara pays you extra aside from what you are earning up here, and what you're going to be earning from your referrals. All right, what you're going to be earning from your referrals. Mara pays you for being a champion. We have the Mara champion and how we have the Mara super champion. So the Mara champion, you refer 40 persons to Mara in a month. Then for the super champion, you refer 100 persons to Mara in a month. So for referring 40 persons, Mara has an amount which you are paid every month. Then for referring 100 persons a month, okay, Mara also has an amount they pay you directly to your bank account, aside from what you earn here and what you earn here. Okay, so you can actually sign up for the Mara champion. So if you're interested in the Mara champion, you can actually get the link from my community. If you know you have the large audience, you have the large contacts, okay, that you know you can actually refer these huge amounts of persons to Mara exchange, then you can get the link, sign up, and then do the needful. You have a target of 40 to 100 persons. So if you meet up to 40 referrals in a month, you get paid. If you don't meet up to 40 referrals the next month, you're going to lose a score. So I'm just going to explain more on that. Okay, so a very quick one on how to onboard your referrals on the Mara exchange. So the step one, once you click the link, to direct you to the Mara exchange website. All right, there you enter your email. So once you are done entering your email, the next thing you do is to open up your email app to confirm or to verify ownership of your email address. So once you are done verifying your email address, the step 2 is to enter your first name and your last name. All right, once you are done doing that, you enter your phone number, then an OTP, which is a one-time password, will be sent to you. You use the OTP to verify ownership of your phone number. All right, so once you are done with that, the step 3 is to the next dashboard opens up to you. You click on it to view your balance, which is your $2 on your dashboard. Now, the step 4 is the referral aspect of it. So you click the referral screen that you can see on my screen here, below here. You click on it. You click on the referral. You click on the N here. You click the N button here. It takes you to the referral. All right. So once you click on that, you can copy your link. You can share your link to anywhere. So per each referral, you earn $1 for yourself. So if you're able to refer 10 people, you've earned $10 for yourself. You're able to refer 50 people, you've earned $50 for yourself. If you're able to refer 10,000 people, you have automatically earned $10,000 for yourself. So when you do your calculation to your local currency, you should know how much you are bagging. All right, just from pressing your phone. So guys, this is gonna be it for now for this very video. So do well to hit the red subscribe button, ring the bell notification icon to get notified of new videos and more videos coming to you from this YouTube channel. And do make sure to drop your comment in the comment section. I'll be replying to every comment. All right, and also do well to click the like button here. And one more thing I would like you all to do for me is to go to the comment section and type Mara wallet. Okay, you can go ahead and spam the comment section with Mara wallet so that we can build up the algorithm here on YouTube to notify people. All right, let's get people notified about Mara wallet. Let's spread it. Let's spread it like a virus. Let's spread it like a wildfire to everybody here on YouTube. Let everybody get to know about Mara Wallet. So by doing so, you don't just earn the $1 alone. Other people get to earn with you too, because in life we rise by lifting other people. So guys, that's gonna be it for now. And once again, this is how to make money online TV, and your mentor here is Izos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.